Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you an interesting lesson called Dishaha. What is meant by Dishaha? Dishaha means directions. In Tamil we say Disaigal. Okay, children? In Sanskrit we have a Shabda. Dik, Dishav, Dishaha. Dik means one direction. Dishav means two directions. Dishaha means many directions. How many directions are there? You know, children? You just say yes. You say in English. Yes. East, west, north, south. Right? I will teach you the names in Sanskrit. You just listen, children. First I will read the names. Listen carefully. Purva, Prachi, Paschima, Pratichi, Uttara, Udichi, Dakshina, Avachi. Okay, children? What is meant by Purva? Purvadik. Purvadik means east direction. In Tamil we say Kiyak Disai. Okay, children? Purvadik. We have another name for this word Purvadik, that is Prachidik. Prachidik means east direction. Okay, children? Then the second one, Paschimadik. What is meant by Paschima? Paschima means west. Paschimadik means west direction. Okay? We have another name for this Paschimadik, that is Pratichidik. What is meant by Pratichidik? Pratichidik means west direction. Okay, children? Then the third one, Uttaradik. What is meant by Uttara? Uttara means north. Okay, children? Uttaradik, north direction. We have another name for this word Uttara, that is Udichidik. Udichi means north. Udichidik means north direction. Okay, children? At last we have Dakshinadik. What is meant by Dakshina? Dakshina means south. Dakshinadik means south direction. We have another name for Dakshinadik, that is Avachidik. Avachi means south direction. Avachidik means south direction. Okay, children? Listen here. Here is a boy. He is showing something, right? Listen here. First, the boy is standing and showing the sun, right? In the morning time. Okay. So this is called as east direction. You can see the letter E. Okay. Followed by this arrow mark. East direction. Purvadik or Prachidik. Okay, children? Then the same boy is showing another direction. He is seeing us and showing another direction, that is west direction. You can see the letter W here, right? West direction. In Sanskrit, what we should say? Paschimadik. Paschimadik means west direction. Pratichidik. Pratichidik means west direction. Okay, children? Then the same boy is showing his right hand towards north side. You can see here N symbol here, right? The letter N. What is the name for this north side, children? You say? Yes, you are right. Uttaradik. Uttaradik means north side. Okay. Then Udichidik. We have another name for north side in Sanskrit. Udichidik. Udichidik means also north side. How will you say in Tamil? North side means Vadak Disai. Okay, children. Then the last one, Dakshinadik. What is by Dakshinadik? Dakshinadik means south direction. We have another name for south direction in Sanskrit, that is Avachidik. Avachidik means also south direction. What we should say in Tamil? In Tamil we have to say Terku Disai. Okay, children. So listen carefully, children. Purvadik means Kiyak Disai, east direction. Paschimadik means Merk Disai, west direction. Uttaradik means Vadak Disai, north direction. At last Dakshinadik means Terk Disai, south direction. Is it clear, children? Good. Thank you so much, children.